What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and this is a special for you today. As you can see, I'm in the garage, but there are no cars in the garage today. We are hosting our annual Ugly Sweater Party. I don't have a sweater on, but you know, this thing's horrific. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and have that done today, bringing y'all along. And as you can see, some of the festivities will include some beer pong. We usually have the cornhole board set up, but it's actually cold today. So I don't think anybody wants to play in the 20 degrees, so we don't have that set up. But we're gonna bring you along the way to show y'all what the festivities have to offer. And we're glad that you're here, and we'll catch you in a few. All right, I'm just outside. I wanted to show you the entryway. Once you come in, you'll be greeted by the big old Christmas tree with the elf on the top, the big old Merry Christmas, and Cooper. Cooper wanted to say hi to everybody. So that is going to be the entryway for today. We usually go through the garage, but again, it is cold out here today, so we're not gonna go ahead and make that go up and down, and we'll have a warm spot for people to hang out and do what they need to do. I'll show you the cars and stuff here as people come in. I know it is a car channel, but it's not gonna be too much oriented around that today. So come with us and let's have a good time. I don't know if y'all catch that, but that is the moon tonight. It more looks like a Halloween moon than anything else. No aliens here in Richmond, Virginia. At least not as of yet. So as you come in through the house, you'll see I have my star Christmas pattern up on the walls doing their thing. The elf in the Christmas tree. Mr. Cooper. Again, we're the cornhole. I can't even say it, and I'm saying it wrong. The freaking beer pong. Then you come through here. Pam's getting stuff ready for everybody.
Hello.
Coming in here, we got the tree lit up and set up also. The fish tanks and the fish are going to join us today. And then going through here, just in case people are smoking or have other recreational things that they want to do. They come out here in the back, or they could come out this way also. They have the pergola, somewhere to sit. And if it gets really crazy, we have the hot tub. So I don't think it's gonna get that wild tonight, but you never know. And can't see the cars, but all my cars are surrounding the house as it is. So as people start to show up, I will go ahead and get them on this, and we'll see how this night ends up. I'm glad y'all are here, and again, happy holidays, and vote for y'all's ugly sweater. And here's Mr. Loki. Pete tends to disappear when people show up, so just take a gander at him now, because once the party goes, you won't see him no more. Cooper may beg for food. Baby girl, she's kind of, sometimes she just likes to watch from afar. So Pam's gonna feed them now, so hopefully they don't become a menace. And the other one is sleeping somewhere, so who knows. While I got a few minutes of your attention, let me tell you what is going to be happening around here, at least in the next couple days. Something I'm gonna go ahead and put on film is Brandon is getting a new PC built. So I might do a little short documentary of that being done. He's building it from the ground up, or at least his friend is building it for him from the ground up. And we're gonna go ahead and kind of see how that kind of rolls about. I'm in the middle of changing all my computers in my house also. Some are outdated, just wanted some newer stuff. Maybe some future things coming too because of that. So we'll have to see how that all plays out also. Again, the one down here, we switched out already with my laptop because that thing was slower than dirt. processing. It was just a terrible computer for the kitchen. So it was funny at the time when we first put one in there, because Pam was like, well, we don't need one in there. And now she can't live without it, because now she'll look up recipes or do whatever, and it's right there. Not that there's not one around the corner from her, but you know, it makes it a little easier to get to. So that one got switched out with my past laptop that I use for editing. That one started having problems with my software. I don't know what's going on. So I have a new one for that, for my editing. So I will find out how that works after I put this on here. Hopefully no issues, and if there is, I'll let you know in the following one. And then my PC, that's usually with that, I don't know if y'all see my room, I'll show y'all a little later if need be. That PC is being swapped over. That one's getting updated, it's getting a new card in it and all sorts of good stuff. So we should be rolling pretty good with that also. The one down here will not update anymore for Windows. I don't know what's going on, and I really don't want to mess with it. So that one, the upstairs one, is coming down here. So that'll be in that spot. Then Sydney wanted a new PC, so she's swapping hers out. So there's gonna be a whole new networking in this house being done. So we'll have to see how that all plans out. That's where I can start a little computer farm in this house. Anyway, nevertheless, we'll go ahead and get this party started, and once our guests arrive, we'll invite you with us. Okay, in the other room is the PC that is going out. I'm probably going to rebuild this one at some point. It's just, you know, they run out of their parts sometimes, and you know, what you build a few years from now, they definitely got better stuff out there now. It was built more for, you know, office type light gaming. Never played a game on it once, and it works okay, but like I said, it won't take any updates anymore, and it does fine for office stuff. But as you can see right down here, it won't let me do it. So I'm going to see if I can get a fresh Windows put in it, and then again, you know, just kind of work it out and do what we got to do. Everything else is fine. This monitor here is going to go out at some point. It has like a little bit of shadowing here and here. So that may be upgraded at some point also. Not anytime soon, mind you. But, you know, that's what's going to be with the other PC that I have upstairs, will be down here. So we're kind of just rotating stuff around, but we'll see how it goes. And this is mainly where Pam works now. Like I said, it was built for different intentions, but ended up working out okay for her having a home office when she does work from home. So we'll go from there. All right, guys, we got our first few visitors. Trisha is in the toilet, so I'm not going to show you that. You got Hunter over here, and Hunter's the one that was going to build Brandon's PC. He decided that tonight seems like a good night. So we are, well, he is going to go ahead and tackle this before the festivities start, and Brandon's going to do what he always does and just supervise, because, you know,
hold a flashlight.
You don't want to put oil and water together for sure, and electricity and Brandon might be something a little different. So anyway, this is his new build. Brandon, tell me about this build. What is
Seems better than
this?
yours.
I don't care about that. I can always outdo you, so don't worry about that. So
Big money. I don't know. There's really nothing to talk about. There's like,
I mean, what is the purpose of this?
oh, it's for gaming, possibly streaming. Might make a gaming channel to have alongside of my card channel.
Right.
Well, I don't know. I don't want to call myself a card channel anymore. I just want to do whatever I want. I don't care about the views. I want to film whatever I want. And
I've heard that a lot this week from different people, but we'll see how this really goes anyway. But anyway,
might make a gaming channel. Might start streaming. There's Casey already eating fucking cookies.
Casey's always eating. So anyway, he's got the latest and greatest almost. He couldn't find a 4090. They were sold out, or you had to get a pre-built, and he didn't want to go that route. So he is going to go ahead and get this done and see where we end up. So he's going to have a work PC and a gaming PC. They're both going to be running between both monitors. So that way you could just switch the inputs and then go to the PC into the other. So we'll see how that all works out. And look, it's Casey. We'll talk to him momentarily. All right, well, people have started showing up slowly. They've started playing some beer pong.
Oh yeah, chicken tenders.
Of course, someone comes right in and gets some food. I don't know who. No, it is all good. Everything's welcome here. So yeah, they're getting everything started, and
I was so tired when I looked at it. Yeah, I was like, I can't.
and we'll go in here real quick. Got a little bit of Jordan, a little bit of Brandon, a lot of Cooper. Got a little bit of spread going on here. You got this little sweater for his beer. Does it get wet?
No,
No?
it does perfect.
Huh? It's kind of cool. You got Casey right there. I know his head's bigger than the fucking camera, but it's all good. Wow. so we'll see where we end up. Well, everybody, it is a new day. Sorry I didn't get a lot of the party. There was a lot going on, and we just didn't have time to sit down and record. I'm sorry to say, but it was a good turnout. Everybody seemed to have fun. Derek and the boys showed up, a lot of the other car crew, and we just had a good time, sat around and, you know, did what we did. So continuing on this morning, because I know y'all saw where Hunter was building Brandon's computer. Well, it got built. So it is built, but now I am tasked with the job of getting everything the way he wanted it. Brandon isn't very technical when it comes to stuff like this, so I go ahead and take care of it. He's going to run multi-computers. This one's going to be for his work, and then that one's going to be for gaming and whatever else he gets into later on. I got 3 monitors to fit in here. It might be 2 by the way it looks, but we got that one and that one. That one is getting out, and that one is coming in, and that one's definitely coming in. So trying to figure out the wiring schematics I'm doing. Each of the monitors here have dual ends, so he'll be able to decide which side he wants to run the monitors on. So that'll be kind of nice. Maybe we'll hook it up to a switch and he just could hit one button and then everything will switch over. But this is what it looks like at the moment. I'm getting my ideas together and we'll see where we end up. Well, everybody, I've been kind of in and out with these videos, so here is how Brandon's thing ended up. It's not exactly the way I would do it, but it works for him. So let me show you how it's going. He's loading everything up on his new PC. So right now, he is working off of this one over here. So he's got all his monitors straight going on with that. It's a nice PC that he built there. So yeah, and then when he works, he'll turn this one on. If he turns that one off first and then turns this one on, all the monitors will recognize this computer first and then turn over to here. Then you turn this one off and then they all recognize over here. Now the only problem that we have is the keyboard and mouse. He's gonna have to go back and forth with that for the time being. We did order a switch. So what the switch does is it combines this computer and that computer with the USBs, and then it has a switch over here. You just hit it and then you can tell it which side you want it to go to, so that way you don't have to keep unplugging it. So once he gets that in there, I think he'll be golden. But yeah, it's a nice setup, and hope he enjoys it. That was my Christmas present to him, the metal monitor, and then that was his Christmas present to himself. So yeah, tell me what y'all think. Well, everybody, that is the video. It is kind of all over the place. I know I kind of went back and looked at it and I was like, well then. But it started off with the party, and the thing that happened with the party is we ended up being involved in the party. I just got kind of busy, and you know, there was groups everywhere, so we were just kind of doing our hosting and wanted to being part of everything, so that kind of took away from actually showing anything because I forgot about it. You know, it was just kind of is what it is. So unfortunately, that's what happened with the party part. I had a good time. Like I said, Last person left around 2 in the morning, so yeah, my old ass was tired. So with that done, you saw that we got Brandon's computer. I want to thank Hunter again because he came down from Carolina for the party, but decided to help Brandon get his stuff straight. So he spent pretty much his whole time upstairs working on the PC, building it for him. Brandon had all the parts, but you know, he went ahead and finished it up and got everything ready for today. And then today, you saw, I went back and wired everything and you know, redid all the monitors and, you know, put them on both PCs so that way, you know, he can work with one and do whatever with the other game. So it's just kind of the wire management and trying to get everything the way it needed to be so it would work the way he needed it to. Again, Brandon isn't too technology bound with that stuff, so it's part of my job and it's kind of what I do. I could have built the computer for him, but he rather had, you know, Hunter do it or whatever, which is cool. At least I could had fun with the party, right? So with that being said, that is done, that part of it for now. But let me tell you what I have going on up here. Okay, to finish off this video, on honor of Brandon, he has got me and Sydney going with new PCs too. So this one is being swapped out and taken downstairs, and a new one will be replacing it here shortly. Cindy and I both got the same PCs, so we'll show you those when we get those put in. Not building them, but because, you know, I wanted to hurry up and get them done, and pre-built are sometimes just as good as you buying your parts. And, you know, the companies that I went through, you know, you could piece part your stuff together and then get it the way you want to, and you don't have to spend a day putting it together. So that's gonna happen up here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. Hold on, my sugar's beeping. Sorry about that, guys. My blood sugar's up and my phone was telling me that, hey, your blood sugar's up. Good going. So anyway, that is the end of this video. And like I said, this is gonna have a little bit of a change also. That is the new format for, excuse me, my new editing section here. We are going to find out how well that works here in a moment. If anything, this video is a test to see how it goes. Hopefully I'll get on the horse again here and get some auto videos going for you. But until that happens, this is what I got. So we'll catch you on the next one. And remember, Merry Christmas.